Hi everyone and welcome to another live trading series. Sorry, my little Yeti mic is in the way. You can see it right here. For those of you new to my channel, I recently got a lot of new subscribers, so I'll just break down what I'm doing. Half of my videos on my channel are stock picks and investing advice for beginners. Half the videos are live option trades. So once a week, I try to film my trades and post it so you can follow along if you'd like, or just see what I'm doing if you're a beginner. Okay, so today is Tuesday, February 22nd. There's a war going on in Europe. If you look at the kind of heat map of the S&P 500, or just like the stock market, everything is going down. It's a little stressful. I'm annoyed that we've been in this situation for like 8 weeks now with everything dropping. I just want some normalcy. So when I sell options, obviously I have to manage it so I don't get assigned. My new rule for 2022 is not to own any shares, but it might not be my choice anymore. I might be forced to. What's funny is like AMD, I don't know why AMD is in the green. I don't know why Air Canada of all companies is like making money, but I'm going to manage my options. If we take a look at Questrade, I have a strangle on NVDA and AMD. So I'll just like kind of open these up. This expires in 24 days. I know the Tasty Trade way is like manage. So I sell a 45-day option and I manage at 21 days. But I'm in the office the rest of the week. So my only time to film it is now. So I'm closing this and rolling it a little early, a little earlier than I'd like. Usually I'd wait a few more days. But if we take a look, the 140 call, this is obviously fine. So I'm making money on this. I have 6 calls, and then the put side, this is currently breached. So AMD is 114, like it was, I was doing well in the morning, not doing well now. I still think this will continue to go down. I want to be out of the money. What this means is by March 18th, if AMD is under 115, I am forced to buy 600 shares. So I have 6 contracts, 100 shares a contract. I don't want to spend that much yet. Hold on. What is this? 600 times 115. So that's 69,000 in cash that I would need. I don't want to own shares yet. I still think it'll go down. I'll try to roll this down to 110. So what you can do when you're managing your options, you roll out further in time to give you more chance to be right. It gives you more premium. Rolling basically means accepting a loss on the trade, or right now. So my trade right now is at a gain situation, but I'm going to roll it down. Hopefully I can make some money. I usually like to roll down for a credit. A credit means you're still getting paid. Rolling for a debit means you're losing money. Well, you're paying. So what you do to roll, you buy back the exact options you sold. If we take a look on the right, so I have it queued up March 18th, 6 contracts, 140. So that's March 18th, 6 contracts, 140. And I do the same for the put side. And then you sell something brand new. I can add contracts. Like I can go 7, I can go 8, but I'm going to save that for worst case scenario. I'm going to roll out 2 more weeks to April 1st. And then I'll roll out to April 14th and then to May 20th. Like I'll eventually continue rolling. Hopefully I'll be profitable eventually, I think. Sorry, I did this backwards. So the call side will be 140. Now, hopefully, these will pay me a credit. Okay, so this is a small debit. That means I'll have to pay. This is like $180 to roll. I don't want to pay. I like rolling for a credit. So what I'm going to do is try to make a little bit of money. So this should be $120, $126. Buy to close, buy to close. That's how you know you're eliminating your obligation. And then sell to open, making 126 bucks. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'll do the same for NVIDIA right now. So I have this NVIDIA strangle. Let's take a look at what NVIDIA is doing. Slightly worse. Okay, a lot worse. NVIDIA is at 231 right now. I do think it'll go down. If I can roll down to 230, I'd be so happy. With NVIDIA, I have the 300 call, which is 90% profitable. What is it, 75%? I only have 2 options on this. 2 options open. I can roll up to 4. I can roll up to 5. Like I did leave myself room, but I don't want to go there yet, just in case something bad happens. The 240 put is in the money. Because it's in the money, that means someone can force me to buy at 240, 200 shares. So let's take a look at this. 240 times 200, $48,000. I will roll down. What you do is add a call, add a put. So I will sell to, what I decided was to go, I'll try to go out of the money right away. So I want to go to 230. And then if I could bring the call side down to 270, this should pay me a little bit. So this payment is actually pretty good. So rolling down, I can still roll down further. Let's see what happens. And then I end up in a debit position. So we won't do that. We'll just continue rolling. So this should pay me $410. 420, my math is bad. Buy to close, and I'm selling to open. And now I should roll out. It gets filled right away. So now what happened? Not the biggest deal. So 240 times 200 shares, I needed $48,000 in cash. But 230 times 200 shares, now I need 46. So every time I roll down, hopefully without adding contracts, I can roll down and reduce the amount of cash. I'm basically reducing the amount of like max loss. So if I'm forced to buy 200 shares, if NVIDIA goes to zero, my max loss would have been 48,000, but now my max loss is 46,000. Again, like this is not, I'm not saying this is the best way, but this is how I do it. This is how I manage. I do have a few other trades that I can manage, that I can make a few trades on. I don't think I'm going to do it for this video because I just need time to continue to decay. Neo, I have 15 puts, which is 1,500 shares. Those are in the money. I might accept assignment on it. I might be forced. Like I might have no choice just because it's so in the money. I haven't decided exactly what to do. So if we look at now, if we think of like a monthly, if I get called right, if I get assigned right now, if I was forced to sell at 27, so I'd make a little bit more. Let's just calculate what the return would be. So yeah, return's not that good. So it would be 0.5 divided by 27, 1.8%. Like that is what I aim for, but I'd be so in the money because I'm losing a lot. I'm losing 2,400, which is frustrating, but hopefully I can continually roll down. Should I do it now? Sorry guys, I don't know. I don't really know what to do. I should have planned this before making the video. I'm a little lost. I have all these positions, but it's just messy. It looks messy because I have I like seeing the ones I've closed too. Yeah, I haven't really decided what to do, but I'm a little nervous. I don't want things to continue go down. I'm like an eternal bull. Like I know this will come up eventually. A lot of the people on the Patreon are thinking this would go to 400, which I really hope it doesn't. If you're interested in talking to other option traders, we're at 15 Patreon members. If you'd like I know it sounds annoying to continue pushing it, but people kept asking for it. And then when I set it up, I only had 15 people join. So if you'd like, please join. It says I have 8 members, but there's 15 people in there. Patreon doesn't get updated frequently. I don't really get why, but let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully I can show more videos rolling or managing options once a week. The next one should be Monday, should be next Tuesday. Hopefully everything would have tapered off. If it continues to tank, it is kind of stressful. It's hard to make money rolling because I'm trying to roll down just to mitigate my loss. Some people say to roll at the money, like the roll at the same strike and like defend your position, but that's not me. I just want to roll down. Like I feel less stressed now. So with AMD, I went from 115 times 600 to 111 times 600. So I just went down 2,500 on each trade. So like AMD and NVIDIA. So I'm indirectly saving myself $4,000 from my max loss if something should happen. But yeah, I'm going to go have lunch now. Hopefully I can get this posted up soon. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and tune into the next one.